Good morning, Saxy. Good morning, North Texas. This is your morning weather forecast with severe storms possible for today, Friday, May the 5th. Happy Cinco de Mayo. This weather forecast, severe weather outlook, is brought to you, as always, by Amen Plumbing. No job is too small for Amen Plumbing. Once Amen Plumbing services your house, you will say amen. And also sponsored by Bacon Roofing. Bacon Roofing is more than roofing. Give Bacon Roofing a call or visit their website at baconroofing.com. Thank you to both of our sponsors for making this weather forecast, severe weather outlook possible as always. All right, well, this is the current radar as of about 9:15 in the morning. It's not rather clear, it's clear. It won't stay that way later on today, and we're going to talk about why that is. So right now, everything's all calm, but we do have a chance for severe weather coming up later today, and so let's talk about that. So this is kind of the overall general outlook for what we're expecting. Most of the severe weather will be west and southwest of Dallas-Fort Worth. Doesn't mean DFW couldn't see something, but the bigger threat is west of us. We have this dry line. It's been setting up the past couple of days. We're going to have hot temperatures, 85 to 90 degrees. It's going to be warmer today than it was yesterday. And that's going to set the stage for showers and thunderstorms to form probably after 3 p.m. into 5 p.m., 6 p.m. out west of us, moving our way. Now, like yesterday, they may make it, they may not make it, but there's definitely a chance they could. Not quite the tornado threat we had today that we had yesterday. Definitely a hail threat, but the tornado threat is not zero. And so let's kind of get more into that as far as what we can expect specifically. And then, before we do that, tomorrow and Sunday, kind of rinse and repeat. Storms out west, moving toward the east. They may be a little further west. And then next week, we'll see this pattern repeat itself almost every day next week. But we'll get more into that later. So today, the severe weather outlook, the slight risk, 2 out of 5, is southwest, west, and southwest of DFW, although a little bit of DFW is included in it. That's the overall outlook. As I said, the tornado outlook is not quite as pronounced, if you will, as it was yesterday. We did have a 5% chance yesterday. This green represents 2% chance, and it's removed from Dallas-Fort Worth to the southwest, so not quite the tornado threat, but not zero. The hail threat, again, mostly west and southwest of Dallas-Fort Worth. Again, you do see the hatched area. That's the probability of hail 2 inches in diameter, about 10% within 25 miles of a point. Could see some bigger hail and the bigger storms. Hopefully that will not be the case, and if we do have hail, hopefully that will be very isolated. Then the wind threat, again, wind gusts 60 miles an hour, about 5% chance for any one point within 25 miles. Going into tomorrow, we have a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms. That's level 1 out of 5, kind of a broad swath. Again, Dallas-Fort Worth, west, southwest, and even northwest. And then the tornado outlook, same thing, mostly west and northwest of Dallas-Fort Worth tomorrow. And then hail, not anything big right now. That may change as the forecast gets refined tomorrow. And then same thing for the severe wind outlook. Pretty much mirrors the outlook as a whole. And then even going into Sunday, again, a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms. Again, 1 out of 5. West, it's kind of a curving around Dallas-Fort Worth, west, north, and south. So that is kind of gives you an idea of what they expect. And the probability of that happening right now is about 5 to 10%. That will change as we go on. So the bottom line is, and we'll go back to the first slide. So the bottom line today is, for most of this morning, clouds are going to clear out. Going to be sunny. Going to get rather warm, even hot for some people. And as the afternoon wears on, that dry line will kick off to the west, and it will start to form showers and thunderstorms. And as we get closer to 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, they'll be more numerous and start to creep their way toward Dallas-Fort Worth. I don't think everybody's going to see rain today. A lot like yesterday, won't see a lot of rain. But then if you do see some rain, you could see some stormy weather, that's for sure. And then, like I said, rinse and repeat tomorrow, rinse and repeat on Sunday, and then really rinse and repeat all next week. Now, no one day is going to be a washout, so don't worry about that. It's just springtime in North Texas, and that's really what we're dealing with. So nothing to be too terribly concerned about as far as, a widespread severe weather outbreak today, but something to keep in mind. I'll be watching it, of course. Well, that's it for this particular update. I appreciate everyone watching. And as always, I'm watching weather so you don't have to. Hope everyone has a great Friday, great Cinco de Mayo, and we will talk to you soon.